Yeah, legend status, ask about the name. I've been putting in work, collect the fame. Up in the step while they watching the TV.
Alright, now we are here at Novena Medical Center for a short haircut. I'm here to find Two Soul Beauty, my mom's salon, and then get a short trim with Sean, the lead stylist. So it used to be called Two Soul Beauty, and then we rebranded it to L'Atelier. We might go back to Two Soul Beauty. Yeah, there we go. I think Sean is currently inside having lunch. 선생님.
안녕.
네, 안녕하세요. 블ог 찍어요, 블ог.
다이어트 중이라 단백질만 먹고 있거든. 오리고기야.
오리고기요? 그 단백질 많이 있나요, 오리고기도?
엄청 많아. 쌀밥 안 먹고 이거만 먹고.
아, 그래요?
응.
맛없겠다요.
열심히 빼고 있어.
영상은 찍고 편집을 했는데
아직 첫 번째 비디오 아직 없어?
네, 올리지는 않았어요. 좀 어색하더라고요.
그거 올리? 이거 봤거든? 그 화장실에서 뭐 입 헹궈서 하는 거?
네.
그거 잘했더라.
아니에요.
응. 아니 그 느낌이 되게 많이 해본 솜씨야. 카메라 앞에 있으면은 서서 찍으면은 좀 부끄럽잖아. 갑자기 카메라 의식하잖아. 그런 거 잘하던데? 연기 반 설정 반 뭐 그런 거잖아 사실은. 잘하던데? 나 보고 끼가 있는데
긴장도 안 되면 연기하려고요 이제.
하는 것도 많은데 야 바쁘다 야.
저희 앞에 들어가서 이제 좀 노래 부르고 춤춰야죠, 그렇죠?
JYP?
Say hello to the vlog.
Hello.
This is Slow. She's been with us for how many years? You going home? Going home is
No.
is only 1 p.m.
No.
Oh my God, Snow! I'm gonna call my father.
Don't call your father. I don't go home.
Snow is sneaky.
Something real, something raw, not accidental, no, I'm sure. You're not needed, show you the door. But what's that, yeah, are you sure? Yeah, that's a rental, yeah.
So right now I'm getting like a scalp treatment. Yeah, so this is called like Chanamut scalp treatment. Usually I would get it every time I get a haircut, because sometimes like my scalp would get itchy and stuff. I'll always get it together with a haircut. It's like a very short like 30-minute session, I think, for context, just because I'm the son of the owner. But we still run on commission basis, or our employees or the hairdressers here and the assistants. So I do pay my share. I do pay the bill, every time I come. It's just that I come to support my family's business instead of like other salons. I don't know. And also like I think I've always grew up in a salon, so I don't really know what other salons feel like. Not so much. Oh my God, it can detect my face like through the mirror. Look at that. Ooh, that is crazy. Coming from like a media background where we have like very big rigs, professional gimbals, and like big setups, big mic, XLR mics, and the whole shazam of like Adochrome and sliders and stuff. And like I transitioning to this small little machine, it's kind of like very intentional based, I think, because it seems like for us, for now, for at least my company, content and marketing is key, and we want to get more content out instead of higher quality. So I think the focus would be on the storyline and the things that I do every day, like this, and visiting friends, doing business stuff. It's just more important than the quality of what kind of stuff I shoot, and also the turnaround time. So I always, for myself, I'm trying to keep like every talking to be like less than 1 minute. There's a bit longer than 1 minute, but so that we can kind of keep dynamic in the show, keep the dynamicness in the shots, and also make things more engaging and exciting. So I think that's been our new priority as we transition to a different phase. That's interesting. As we transition to like a different content marketing strategy, I would imagine people want to know what I'm doing as a 27-year-old entrepreneur, traveling and doing F&B business in Singapore, more than the glamour of the food that I eat, or like the bokeh, or you know, the different kind of shots that you want to see, because I'm not really a travel blogger, neither am I a colorist or a professional. Okay, I'm a professional videographer, but professional like movie making videographer, so, or a filmmaker. So I think that's a difference that I'm trying to see, and then see if there's any effect. Oh, oh, oh. So cold. I didn't ask him to apply anything for me because generally I don't like gel or anything like that. 어떤 거요? 아, 네, 슬라이더요. 네. Bye bye, Snow.
拜拜。
Bye
要
bye.
拍我啊？
啊？
在工作的时间拍我，
没有啦。
被我的老板发现。
Okay, bye bye. So usually I like to eat curry, so I'm kind of like stuck between monster curry or magic curry, or like the noodle shop. The noodle shop is really good too. Yeah, let's see. This is how it looks like. The curry. I don't know, I'm just like a really big fan of curry. Okay, oh my god, it looks so good. Oh my god, maybe I'll get the pork cutlet curry, the cheese. Ooh, that looks so good. Where is it? Okay, so I think like that's like the issue nowadays with like restaurants, and like why they're not doing so well is because like you can see that the price is like $20.80 when you like first see it on the kiosk, and then when you actually check out, there's like service charges, GST. It becomes $25. But then like as a consumer, I mean obviously I also do F&B and I'm also running like food stalls, but I feel like consumers are now getting more wary about how they're spending their money, and I think it really reflects when you see the bill, right? So it's like you expect to pay $20 or you expect to pay $16, and then the bill comes at $20. So I mean, obviously as a business, you can't run a business selling so cheap. But at the same time, it's like, I think it's a battle between like what the consumers expect to pay and what's a justifiable amount. Because, yeah, and then now I think there's more trend of people trying to find more affordable options. And I think that's like the reason why a lot of restaurants are suffering, because consumers just don't want to spend so much, especially when it comes to food, like daily necessities, because things are just going up in general. Yeah. And I'm pretty sure this is also owned by like one of those, yeah, okay, yeah. Oh, so this shop, I didn't know, it's actually owned by the ramen shop across. They're very popular for ramen. And
Yeah, sure. Yeah, that's a rental. Yeah, what I bought. Lying, nothing in your core. Buying, yeah.
so like they made a video for like some grow with purpose video. It's basically how businesses are supposed to be mission driven and help the community out to create better value for society, therefore a better place to work. So we believe that as a business, we should at a core do good as well for our customers. Interesting. Oh, really good. I don't know what's like the thing with magic curry, but every time I come here, like I would always eat at Monster Curry. That's like my go-to place for all Japanese curry stuff. And I'm like, I really like curry. But I'm like, every time I eat magic curry, it always tastes a little spicier. It kind of brings it closer to like Korean curry, or like it's not purely Japanese curry, because Japanese cuisine usually can't do spicy stuff. So including the curry is like very sweet. But I think for this curry, for magic curry, it's a little fusion based. Yeah, you can see like little pieces of chili, green chili powder. Okay. It's my second time having magic curry. I don't know, just every time I come here, I don't really feel like fully satisfied. I'm not really getting a full Japanese curry flavor. Like it's not that sweet. I think I expect that to be sweeter. Plate is finished clean. Well, somewhat clean. Now I'm heading back home to pick up my mom and my sister for us to go get vaccination for like some Japanese mpox or something. Check it out if you like spicy, a little spicy Japanese curry. A little bit spicier than the rest, but definitely something that's a differentiating factor. Maybe I just don't get the USP, but I'll probably come back again if I feel like having curry like in the area. I don't know, maybe I'll go for Monster Curry instead. So this is the company that actually I think owns Magic Curry. They're always busy, they're always full. And I think they just took another space. It is quite common for F&B to have like multiple concepts. Because sometimes when the locations offers up, usually you have the same infrastructure or similar infrastructure, and you can just kind of like leverage your current cost, your fixed cost, to make more revenue by doing more menus, or you take from suppliers.